Max Collins, born August 28, 1992, is an American-born Filipino actress and model. Born in California, she is an exclusive artist for GMA Network. Collins' parents met in Los Angeles and separated at 4. She lived in Vallejo, California, Calibo, Aklan, and Boracay. Max Collins, a 10-year-old actress, started her career in commercials at 10. She joined ABS-CBN Star Magic Batch 15 and appeared in TV series Rosalca and Pinoy Big Brother, Teen Clash 2010. In 2015, she relaunched her career, starring in The Good Daughter and Manila. Actress, cousin of Lauren Young and Megan Young, close friend of Jessie Mendiola, married Poncho Magno in 2017, had son Sky Anakin, confirmed split in May 2023, divorced in October 2024.
Really think that they'll spend even one night in jail because of your work?
Man, hindi ako tanga.
At ako tanga?
Gusto mo ba talagang pumasok sa
Alam kong pangarap mo yan.
Pero Ramon, katatapos na.
Pero iba pa lang nahanap ko. My soulmate.
Bubo anak.
Anak?
Nandito ako ngayon because my editor told me that you have a confession to make. Yours. Saan ang galing yung Fireflies? If you wrote it, then what was the inspiration behind it?
Yeah.
So, in love si Jason sa isang katulad ni Rosa!
Total, tao ka na. Dadaanin namin sa pamamagitan ng kunyari, pagtukot sa'yo. Huwag mong kakalimutan, tiwalag ka. Hindi basta-basta nagtutukot ang mga...
Gusto ko lang iparamdam sa kanya na nag-F.
Dad, is Mom having an affair?
Tungkol saan? Por favor, entrar.
Ano pong sasabihin sa kanya?
Ang sarap talaga ng banana. Guava ice cream?
Guava?
Ari niyo ba kaming iwan?
You must be very proud of your daughter. She is very talented. Very is off, Billy. Tour your family around.
Iba ka. Bilin kay Papa dahil sasamahan ko siya. Pa, tutulungan ko po kayo magtinda ng mga painting.
Sa ibang araw ko na lang sila ito-treat, Brian. Ayaw mo bang yung nangyaring insidente sa faculty?
Talaga?
Oo. Naging rainbow daw si principal.
Pero niloko lang niya ako.
Pero hindi na mangyayari yun. Kasi hindi na niya ako mahal.
I'm so sorry, nakakahiya naman. Pasensya ka na. Summer. Ako sa presinto. Kapag may pinagdadaanan ka.
Of that man! Pinaghintay niya ako sa wala! I waited for 3 hours! Hours, Belen! Kung may emergency talaga, sana sinabi...
Kung tama nga ang pinaglalaban niya. Yes, Your Honor.